This shelf was made in 2022 for a royal family in Abu Dhabi. Something in mind where we were designing this shelf. We want it to be like very fragile and steady as well. The purpose was to carry out decorative items and trophies. Now we are in 2026 and the shelf is still standing strong, so I think we made it. Leave in the comments where you would like to put this type of shelf in your house. In this case, we put it at the entrance for them to be able to dispose their perfume or their incense. Like the video and follow for more.